Hi students, in this video we will discuss about how to represent the binary search tree. So all the data we are going to be stored in computer, which means memory. The question is how to store all this information into the memory. The best way is using linked representation. See, suppose I want to store these the elements into the memory 46, 60, 75, 30, 22 and 70. So before storing all this information, first we have to create a node structure. This is the basic node structure of binary search tree. See, every node we have minimum 3 different fields. One is left child, middle one is data, another one is right child. If I want to store extra fields, we can divide the data fields also, but we are in initial period, so I want to store only one information for one node. So see, I want to represent all this data with the help of these nodes into the memory. So first we want to store 46. So create a new node with minimum of 3 fields. Where we are storing the data? 46 here itself. And initially there is no left subtree, there is no right subtree. So simply we will put null. Here null. Here also null, which means there is no left subtree, which means it doesn't point any subtrees. Here also there is no right subtree, it doesn't point any right subtree. So simply put nulls both sides. Now next time I want to insert 60. So as per the binary search tree, where we are going to be insert 60, that depends on comparison. 60 is greater than the 46, so simply we have to insert a right subtree of this node. So immediately on this particular field, remove that null, simply place this node address. So first create one more node, that is 60. Maybe it contains some address. You know very well, in computer all the information stores as per their addresses. Suppose assume this node address is 6000, this node address is 4000. Now initially both are null, but I want to insert one more element in binary search tree. So simply create the node as per the node structure of the BST. Now this address you should store here 6000. So see, 6000. Simply it will point this node address. Automatically it will establish a link between 46 and 60. Here there is no left and right childs, so simply put null and null also. Next, insert 75. Where we have to insert 75? Comparison starts from root node. 75 is greater than 46. Immediately go to the right subtree, and there is one more node. So comparison again starts. 75 is greater than 60. So create the 75 here. Again a node, 75 node. Now assume this node address is 7000. Simply where we have to place 7000 address? Here 7000. So it will point out like this. Now here put null, and here also place null. Okay. Next 30. 30 is less than the 46. So immediately create a node 36. Create a new node which contain 3 fields like left, data, right. Now assume this address is, for example, 8000. In 8000 memory location we are storing 36. Immediately here we are storing address of this node. So address of this node is 8000. Place it here. It will create a link between 46 and 36. Now here immediately there is no leaf nodes, which means there is no nodes, there is no childs. So simply we are putting null. Here we will place null and here also null. Next, sorry, it is 30. Sorry, this is 30. Okay. Next, 22. 22 is less than 46 and it is also less than 30. So simply create a new node 22 having 3 fields. Now this address assume 9000. Now immediately instead of null we have to place 9000. Immediately it will create one link between 30 and 22. Finally we have only one data, that is 70. Now where we have to insert 70? Greater than 46, greater than 70, but less than 75. So immediately here we have to create a new node. Assume that is 9050. Immediately here we are placing 9050 so that it will create the link between 75 and 70. So these are the nulls, and here also null, here also null, there is no node, here also null, null and null. So this is called root node. These two are called as 1, 2, 3. These 3 nodes are called as internal nodes. Internal nodes means there is a parent as well as childs. In the total tree structure, middle nodes is called as internal nodes, and final last whenever there is no leaf nodes, whenever there is no childs, then the node is called as leaf node or external nodes. So simply we can call it as a insertion operation. What we have discussed, it is called as insertion operation. Suppose if we want to store 35, how you are storing? Your tree is already established. In the tree I want to insert 35. So simply starts from 46. 35 is less than 46. Immediately come to the left subtree. There is one more node. Compare with that one. 35 is greater than 30. So create a new node 35. Assume it is a 9070, which means 9070 is the address of the 35 node. Immediately instead of null, place here so that it will create one more link. So here we will place nulls. So this is the insertion operation also.